Hey everyone, this is Alicia, also known as AVP60685. I'm back with another cooking video. Today I'm going to be doing some vegetarian chicken parmigiana. What I'm starting out with is with my sauce base that I typically start out with today I'm using the ragu, the chunky garden vegetable. I've added Italian seasoning to it. I've added a little bit of jalapeno in it. I've added a little bit of roasted garlic that has been in the refrigerator chilling. And also, these are what I'm using for my chicken patties. These are the Morningstar Farms. You can use either the original or you can use the buffalo chicken. So, and you basically let that cook for 1 to 2 minutes in your microwave, or you can cook it on the stove, but you don't cook it that long. And basically, once that is finished cooking for a little bit, then you combine it with the sauce, and then you also combine it with cheese. And then you're going to bake it in the oven for a couple of minutes. So basically I'm just starting out with the sauce base right now, and then from there I will add it to my chicken patties and then I will bake it. Alright, stay tuned guys. Okay, so here are what the chicken patties look like once you take them out of the package. We're going to be using the buffalo chicken with these. And like I said, I'll put these in the microwave for about 2 minutes, and then I'll let them sit, and then I will add it to my sauce, and then I'll bake that with cheese. Like I said, these are what the buffalo chicken patties with. The original ones look sort of like this, but they're a little bit more brown. But these are, you can use your vegetarian chicken patties with either the buffalo ones or the original. Like I said, today I'm just doing it with the buffalo ones instead of the original. Alright, stay tuned guys for the next step. Okay guys, we're back. This is our next to the final step and everything like that. So basically I've got the 2 chicken patties that are under on this side. I got 2 chicken patties here. I got a sauce, and I've also got cheese on top. I didn't put a whole lot of cheese because I'm still getting over a slight cold and everything like that. But you can use any kind of cheese for this, and you're going to bake it for about 30 to about 40 minutes until the cheese is melted. And you're going to put on 350 degrees. And so I'll come back and let you guys see how it looks once it's finished baking. And hope you guys enjoy it. And I will see you guys in a little bit. Bye! Okay guys, so here's what the vegetarian chicken parmesan looks like when it is finished baking. Hope you guys enjoyed it. And I will leave you the recipe in the description below. Talk to you guys later. Happy cooking. Bye!